Hello! Welcome to this video, which is a part of a channel where subscribing is optional. Let's begin with taking in what we are working with. This hair. It has been bleached about maybe, 2 months ago now? I think that's when my journey began. And I have dyed it right afterwards, and I made it like a reddish color, reddish blonde color, and then soon after that I uploaded another video which you could see that has me dyeing it a more ash tone, which has, overall kept a different tone than what I started with, but definitely washed out by now. I am here to completely drastically change it, and what I'm going to use has already been in the title. I'm sure you found this video because you were looking for reviews on it, but it is two colors. The first one, my preference, Sweet Cola in 3-0, and the other darker color, Black Tea in 20, and I will be mixing both black tea and sweet cola, which doesn't sound tasty, but will at least look presentable. Do you see how this woman is like more tan and this woman is more pale? That's why I wanted to pick this color, because initially it would look black, I'm assuming, when you start off with this color and then you go this dark. I'm guessing it's just going to look black initially, and then as it washes out it'll turn a more brown color. But so would this one, but at least that one has more warm tones. However, there was only one box of the Sweet Cola left, sadly, and this one was on sale. So here we are. So if you don't want to read the instructions, but are going to be doing this yourself, basically you're going to have the color, the developer, and this oil. You're going to mix them all in this bottle if you would like, but since I'm mixing both of them, I will be using a mixing bowl and this brush. I will be using all of the color Sweet Cola, and maybe only half of this, because my hair length, I am assuming, since it's so liquidy, I will only need definitely more than one box, but maybe not 2 boxes, since my hair is not thin nor too thick. Okay, it's about a that. This doesn't work. It's like measuring for a space or something, but I'm trying to measure the thickness of my hair. Whatever, just believe me. So I'll ready the mixture and let you have a look at it, and then I am going to maybe not show the application process, but you will see the end result very soon. If you can see that, it will change color, but that's just what it initially looks like. I have a bit of advice for you. Before you even get this, know that it does not come with a shower cap, so please pick one up, as I think it just helps everything heat up and develop more evenly. It does come with gloves, as most box dyes do. Usually some of them come with a hair cap as well, or shower cap, what are they called? So I don't know why this one didn't. Maybe they're stopping that practice. They assume everyone just has them at their disposal now. And also step C. It says to snap it and then put it in here. I had 2 tries to do that, and only one was semi-successful, but it was only open a little bit, and I had to twist it, and then I was like, okay, whatever, and I squeezed it, and then it squirted at me. So get scissors and do it. Don't try and snap it. It's so dumb. It either won't work, or it will halfway work, or it will work completely for you. I think I've used this dye before, and it didn't look like this, but I was able to snap it and do it completely fine when I was younger. So maybe something happened to me, I don't know. It's already changing. I am just entranced by dark hair, and I like it on myself, and I like how it looks on myself. So nobody say anything bad when this is over. Thank you. Here was the result. Oh my god. Alright, I'm looking over this footage, and I really did think that this looked good, but looking at it through the camera, I mean, I feel like I'm just saying a bunch of bullshit now, because this isn't good. Look at that. I mean, yep, that is the reality. This just goes to show, please have a mirror when you're putting down the color, or somebody else to look at the back of your scalp. in real life, I swear it's not that bad, but I also don't look at the back of my head, so I'm gonna fix this with demi-permanent or semi-permanent hair color. You know, this laid the foundation down, so I'm still pretty happy with it. Yeah. Also, I spoke in these video things, but I didn't know that I had slow-mo on, so none of the audio actually recorded. And it also explains why I couldn't record for longer than like 15 seconds. So here's some sped up footage so you can see what my hair looks like in the sun. I don't think it looks that bad. Maybe the camera made it look worse indoors, but also it probably is the reality of what my hair looks like. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Thinking of getting some bangs, a little fringe action perhaps. Please don't discourage me from it because I probably have already done it.